Here is an example program I think you'll really like. This is a clone of the popular game They Are Billions, written in Python. Check this out. Here's the game window, and you might recognize the map as one of the simulations we made earlier. We're loading it in as a game map now, where the ones are these gray tiles, and that's empty space for building houses. The twos are green tiles, and that's soil for building farms on. And the zeros are empty tiles which serve as natural obstacles. So if you haven't played this game before, the goal is to expand a colony and manage the competing requirements and constraints of money, housing, food, farms, and military. So in this game, I've set the goal that if the battle indicator gets to 0, you lose. And you have to have a certain amount of military per unit perimeter by day 100 in order to win. So I didn't bother simulating all the units in the game such that you can't really click on units and move them places and experience the joy of zombie combat. Instead, that's all abstracted away. So I'll give you a beginning. So here I've placed my command center. You can put the first one wherever you want, but subsequent ones you have to expand from the same point. And in doing so, I consumed some money and I consumed some battle resource. It takes this resource called battle to expand, and that's to sort of accommodate the idea in the game that in order to clear area for colony expansion, you have to have more military than you need to defend. So the amount of military you need to defend is the number of perimeter tiles you have. So here I'm losing the battle over time because I've only got 5 military occupying 8 perimeter tiles. So I'm slowly losing the battle, and if I let that get to 0, I'm going to lose the game. So I'll buy a couple more military. So now the battle is stable, but my money is going down. So I need to get more money, and to do that, I'm getting houses. But the problem is I just lost all my houses because I had no food to feed them. So all that money is now wasted. So I need to buy 2 farms. That'll get me 10 food per turn. And now I can start getting houses. I'm able to do this because I have soil and space. If I hadn't placed this colony expansion, I wouldn't have soil or space. I wouldn't have been able to buy any houses or farms, even though I have the money. So then I can get more houses. And once again, I've got a food deficit. Okay, so get a little more of that. And now I'll try to expand again, and it says you need 50 battle to expand. Okay, so I need to start getting more military to the point where I'm actually clearing land. Although by doing that, I've sort of killed my money income. So now I'm sort of screwed because you need 60 money to expand as well as 50 battle or whatever it was. So now I'm really out of luck because I'm going to have to wait really long time for this money to get up to 60 so that I can finally expand and then start getting more houses and sort of getting to that snowballing exponential expansion that you're looking for in these kinds of strategy games. So because I've sort of screwed things up at the beginning, better to start over and try again. Let me give it one more go here. Okay. Pause the game. Right off the bat, I think I'm going to expand twice because that actually reduces my perimeter. Then I'm going to get at least 20 food. You know what? Might as well get 30. And then I'll get 30 houses. I'm holding the left shift button to buy 10 at a time just to save my pointer finger from having to click too many times. And I'm using the space bar to pause and unpause the game. And I'm just going to get a couple more military. Okay, looks like that was a pretty optimal opening because I've got just the right amount of food and just the right amount of battle not to lose. It's like very close to losing. Sort of reminds me of the space vehicle landing technique where if you land with the minimum amount of time necessary and the minimum amount of fuel, that's also the most dangerous way of landing. So it seems like if you're starting off this game with a minimum amount of military to survive, then you're probably doing a pretty good job. Okay, and then I'm making tons of money because I'm on the edge of losing, but I need to get some more military going here so that I can start expanding. Now you can skip to the end of this video or skip this whole video because I'm just going to keep playing this game for a little while, and in the next video we'll talk about the actual code that ran into this game. Okay, but I'm going to keep playing and see if I can't do this. Alright, so what have we got here? We've got... Okay, I've got enough battle to expand. Where's a good expand location? I'm okay on soil right now. Okay, I'm going to go there. That's doing okay. A couple more farms, a couple more houses. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, I'm going to lose 5 houses there. I didn't realize. Okay, that was really bad. I lost 5 houses. But we've stabilized. Got to get those farms out first. They only cost 10 each. Why didn't I just get them? That was really careless. Okay, where's my next expand location? The way I set this up is you can't actually expand all the way to the edge, just like in the real game. So there's no advantage to like trying to hug the walls. If anything, that's a really bad idea. Oh, this is kind of a problem. What if I go here? Is that good? Okay, so that got me a little more soil. But it also got me more perimeter tiles. I think I came out ahead. Okay. Okay. Get a couple more military. I can afford to have quite a bit more because I've got 29 income. And really, it's all about the day counter, right? Like, how am I going to have enough military to win? That's really going to be a challenge. I've got a lot of free area in here in the sense that it's like enclosed. It's not going to add a lot of perimeters. So I'm going to go ahead and just sneak out over here. Okay. I've got lots more space. Let's get some more houses. Okay, some more houses. Okay, I've got a food deficit, but I have a bank built up, so it's okay. Having that food bank is actually just a waste of resources, right? So technically I want to burn that down. My battle indicator is not doing too well. I don't think this increases my perimeter by that much, but I do need a few more military. Okay, and my food's minus 17. That's getting a little bit alarming. Okay, now we can move into this next segment. Let's try here for now. I can't go there. That's too far. Okay, let's go here. Okay, still at minus 2 food. I'm okay with that. I can expand again. Okay, 38 guys occupying 30 perimeter tiles. Definitely get a couple more farms now. 20 more houses. Okay, I'm keeping the money low. So how are we doing here? We've got 60 money. We've got 30 perimeter tiles. How am I going to have 8 military per perimeter tile? See, that's the thing. Like, at some point you have to stop expanding in this because there's no delete. Like, you can't pull back from a defensive line. That's certainly a good move. That reduces my perimeter. This one reduces my perimeter. These aren't efficient moves because each time I click to expand my colony like that, I am spending a full 60 money and 60 battle, which is kind of a waste. But if it's lowering my perimeter, then that's also an investment of a sort. So I'd say it's probably worth it. Now, what's farther? I guess these are equally far away. Is it even worth it to go to that next tile? Like, these little pockets are the good places, but should I even go there? Okay, let's think about this. So I've got plus 80 money per turn. I can buy all the military I need on the final day. I don't need to buy them ahead of time, and in this game, you don't need houses to get military. So here's the question. If I multiply 50 days remaining by 80 money, will I have 26 times 8 perimeter tiles? Okay, let's figure that out. Calculator. Okay, got 80 money times 50 days. 4,000 money. Now it costs 10 per soldier. So 4,000 clear. 4,000 divided by 10 per soldier. Okay, so that's 400 soldiers. That's definitely enough. Okay, so I know that I won. That was, I guess, a little bit easy. But of course, you could try it on a harder map, or you could change your goal. Your goal could be to have more than that number of military per perimeter. or something like that. There's all kinds of ways to modify the program to make it fun. All right, now let's talk about the code. Okay, next video.